Welcome back. Let's take a look at the latest in the world of business. The AU High Representative for Infrastructure Development in Africa, Raila Odinga, has launched a 70-meter dredging vessel that will start the process of dredging the Kisumu port and waterways connecting the port and other ports on the Kenyan side of the Lake Victoria. Now, the dredger will start operating after 3 months. KTN's Kevin Ogutu with that story.
It was a tour whose mission was clearly spelled out. This delegation, led by ODM leader Raila Odinga, was here to be part of the solution to the slump in maritime transport across Lake Victoria. It is a venture that was once profitable until the water hyacinth invasion, and now those in marine transport are crying foul.
Tumia nusu saa tu kutoka pale Usoma mpaka kufika hapa bandarini. Ningetumia only 20 liters za mafuta, lakini nilichukua 7 hours. Kutoka pale only maili 2, hebu angalia, maili 2 mpaka 3. Nimetumia masaa 7 mpaka kufika kwa bandari kwa ajili ya resistance ya magugu maji.
And it is for this reason that the towering dredger has been brought to bring back the lost business across Lake Victoria.
Determined to ensure that this water hyacinth menace is a thing of the past. And it's not going to be done only in Kisumu. We'll do it in Kindu Bay, we'll do it in Kindu Bay, Homa Bay, Asembo Bay, Karungu Bay, Mehuru Bay, South Bay, Kadikopete Bay, Kadimu Bay, Port Victoria, and Seaport.
Uganda Minister of State for Transport Henry Bagire was present. According to him, Kenya has lost a lot since hyacinth invasion.
Tourists used to come from Mombasa, come here by rail, go to Mwanza, go to Bukoba, go to Musoma, go to Portobello, to Jinja, and back here. That statute is gone.
He says not long ago, Uganda was in the same trouble.
In Uganda, we had a similar problem, a very big problem. And our ports like Portobello, at one time, was totally closed off. But with efforts of this nature, today we have not totally controlled, but we have fairly controlled the water hyacinth. It's no longer a very big mess, and we have started on the journey.
The water hyacinth has been a thorn in the flesh, particularly for local fishermen, who have occasionally been locked by the weed in the lake. And now the county governments neighboring the lake are gearing towards a lasting solution.
Hyacinth has denied us our economic well-being. And now that this has been championed by the former Prime Minister, and we can now see we are having a long-lasting solution.
We will have to work closely with other actors, especially current businesses along the lake, including clubs. And we have in mind Nyanza, golf, and yacht clubs.
Kevin Ogutu, KTN News, Kisumu.
Now, business owners in Nairobi's Islegh area for the better part of the day shut down their business premises in a show of solidarity, condemning the Riverside attack. The leaders lauded efforts by the security forces, calling on Kenyans to be vigilant and ready to share information.
Business is not completely usual here at Islegh today because major commercial centers have been closed. We see that area MP Yusuf Hassan has joined forces together with the leaders of the business community as well as the Residents Association to come here and strongly condemn the attack that happened on Tuesday, that which claimed many lives. We have seen that they have closed their businesses for a period of 1 hour in memory of the victims that lost their lives. We see that Islegh has been a victim of terrorist attack for many years, but this time they have come out to strongly condemn the attack and say that they are not part of the Al-Shabaab and that they want the Al-Shabaab heinous acts to end.
Al-Shabaab sio sisi. Al-Shabaab haituzungumzie sisi. Al-Shabaab haituwakilishi sisi. Hatukubali ideolojia mbovu ya mauaji ya Al-Shabaab. Na tunasimama pamoja na wananchi wengine wa Kenya.
We close all our shops today to stand with our Kenyans who we lost
We closed over 10,000 shops. It was very difficult for business people to close their shops, but we closed because of our Kenyans that we lost.
Now, the Energy Regulatory Commission has awarded the Energy Management Compliance Award in a bid to recognize energy players that have been able to cost cut. The companies that won the 2018 award were able to collectively save up to 2.4 million units a year after implementation. Among companies that received this award include British American Tobacco Kenya, both Likoni and Thika Plant, Mombasa Cement, Athi River and Sarge Ceramics.